Welcome to the Scaringi Law Lunch Break. This is your time of the day to learn a little bit about the law while you enjoy your lunch. And forgive us for missing yesterday's Scaringi Law Lunch Break. After all, it was Labor Day. Family-owned businesses make up approximately 90% of all businesses in America. According to the Small Business Administration, 40% of U.S. businesses face the transfer of ownership, the critical transfer of ownership issue at any given time. So today we'll talk about the family business and business succession planning. So you own a family business and are interested to learn how to bring younger family members into your business. Well, you have some pretty big questions to answer. Should you bring children into the business? If so, how do you ensure they'll share your goals for business success? What about those children in your family who don't want to join the business? What do you do for them? How do you protect your and your spouse's business, which you've used as, or you've planned to use as your retirement vehicle? Well, most clients I work with are interested in giving children who show an interest in the family business and an ability to work in it some ownership interest, but without giving up control, at least for the short term. And then those owners would gradually give up control over a period of time during which the younger family owners would presumably prove themselves in the business. Well, here are some general business succession tips. First, giving your children stock in your company is how you give a child some ownership interest in your business. But if you want to retain control, you can give your children non-voting stock. That gives them a financial interest in your business without the ability to vote or control your business. Second, anytime you give stock to another party, you want to make sure you have a shareholder agreement in place. Because stock is a security and is transferable, you want to make sure that you put some limitations on the transferability of stock in your own company. If you own a share of stock in Hershey Foods Company and you wish to sell it, you don't really care to whom your stock is sold. But if you own the company, you absolutely care to whom your stock is sold, because that person will become one of your co-owners. Third, how to transfer stock. You can sell the stock to your child, or you can have your child earn the stock as a form of compensation while working in your business. You can make it a gift. You can make it a gift during your life. You can give it outright, or you can give it through a trust. You can create a trust that protects against your child's creditors, that protects the stock of your company from your child's creditors. You can also create a family limited partnership or a family limited liability company. And this is a vehicle through which you would gradually transfer ownership of your company to your children or grandchildren. Fourth, many business owners want to treat all their children fairly and equitably, including those with the desire and the capacity to work in the family business, and those who have either no desire or no capacity to work in the family business. So if you have children who will not be working in the business, it's probably a better idea to give them property other than stock ownership, property such as life insurance or some other assets. It's generally not a good idea to give children who have no desire or capacity to work in the family business stock in that business, because their goals for that business will be very different from the goals of your children who are actually working in that business, and you will perhaps accidentally or unintentionally cause some tension and strife among your children's generation or grandchildren's generation. Well, there's so much more to discuss about family business succession planning, but that's about all the time we have today. I hope you've learned a little bit about this topic. If you'd like to learn more about family business succession planning or family business, business law, or estate planning, feel free to call us here at Scaringi Law at 717-657-7770. Enjoy your lunch.